My name's Sawyer Dublin. I'm a senior from Mahomet-Seymour High School in Illinois. I'm making a dining room table for my mom because we have really been needing a new dining room table, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to have a chance to make one for her. These are some of my parts for my kitchen table. I used computer-aided manufacturing to create them. This is one of my glue-ups, and this piece will be used as the feet for my kitchen table. I like Mahomet-Seymour's woodshop program because it gives me time to express myself and let me do what I want to do in a class. Using the skills I learned in high school, I want to become an industrial technology teacher so I can help kids in the future learn the skills of the trade.